Bouncy shrimp is placed in dumpling wrappers and rolled into shrimp cheung fun. Then they are steamed until translucent and mouth-watering. If you don't have the time to make the batter from scratch, that's okay, because this is a super quick and easy way to make cheung fun. Let's get started! In a mixing bowl, add the deveined shrimp. Season it with salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Place the dumpling wrapper flat and brush some oil over it. By doing so, the wrapper will become more flexible and it won't stick to one another. Now we're going to top it with another wrapper and brush oil over it. Repeat with the remaining wrappers. Use a rolling pin and roll the wrappers into about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Add some shrimp in the center. Fold the bottom up and fold the top down. And repeat with the rest. Transfer the cheung fun on a steamer rack. In a large pot over high heat, bring water to a boil and place the steamer rack over the pot. Cover the lid. Steam over high heat for 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Carefully remove. In a bowl, add the hot water and sugar. Whisk until dissolved. Pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. At the end of this episode, I'd like to share with you something my older daughter told my younger daughter. While Emma was eating her favorite gummies, Ellie said to Emma, "What you like isn't necessarily always the right thing to do. Gummies are bad for your teeth." I agree with Ellie. She's like a little Yoda sometimes. And perhaps we could all try to do the right thing and not just what we notionally enjoy. Happy cooking, everyone! This is a super quick and easy way to make cheung fun. The shrimp is really bouncy and the cheung fun has this amazing cute texture. I love it. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!